guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm outside Target. So we're going to do our Target in-store video early this week because I'm giving my in-laws a day off on Tuesday because they're watching our lovely kids while we go to Vegas on Thursday and Friday. So my husband and I are celebrating 5 years worth of marriage. Yay! So we are going to celebrate in Vegas, our favorite place to go together. So we're going to head into Target and I'm going to share with you guys the deals. Also, I wanted to add on here, I'm going to make another video explaining this more in detail, but I am taking a break from Instagram and Facebook. I had just noticed that social media was becoming too unhealthy in my life, so I am cutting it out for 30 days and seeing how I feel afterward. And so far, I've been unplugged from Facebook and Instagram for about 3 days, and I feel amazing about it. So, if you guys don't see me responding to, if you instant message me, this is not 1998. If you send me a DM on Instagram, I'm not going to see it because I'm not on Instagram. And if you send me a message on Facebook, I'm not going to see it because I'm not on Facebook either. If you guys tag me and stuff and you're wondering, Gina, what the heck? Why aren't you responding to me? It's because I'm not on Facebook or Instagram. So I'm taking 30 days off. So if you want to reach me, you can email me. If you have my phone number, then shoot me a text. So, okay, so I'm going to start my deals in the diaper section. What a surprise. So when you buy 2-box diapers, this is Pampers or Huggies. You could also do the Easy Ups or Pull-Ups. When you buy 2, you're going to get a $10 Target gift card. So let's do a Pampers scenario. So the Pampers are priced for $24.99. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $49.98. We have 3 off 1 coupons that came in our P&G. So use 2 of those. You'll take $6 off. So you'll pay $43.98 out of pocket, but then you get a $10 not an extra care buck. This is Target. You're going to get a $10 Target gift card, so final cost is $33.98 or $16.99 each. So that's a really good deal. So now I'm going to take you over to the Easy Ups deal. We have a deal on the Easy Up training pants as well. So these guys are priced for $24.99 as well. So buy 2 of them for $49.98. Now we have 4 off 1 coupons in the P&G. So you can use 2 of the P&G insert coupons, or there's a $4 load to Cartwheel coupon. If you don't know how to use Target Cartwheel, I have a video below explaining it. So you'll take $8 off. So you would pay $41.98, then get back that $10 Target gift card. So final cost is $31.98 for both of them. And check your Ibotta rebates because there might still be that $5 cash back on the Pampers Easy Apps. So check your Ibotta apps. If you don't know how to use Ibotta, sign up with the link below. It's free and you're going to get some free money. Yeah. So this next deal is going to require a printable coupon. So the Aveeno Baby Hand and Face Wipes, these guys are $3.49, and there is a printable 2 off 1 coupon from coupons.com. So it's going to drop this down to $1.49. So I think that's a pretty good deal, especially since the Up and Up brand is $1.77. So I like this because you can use this on face as well, because you have to be careful when you use regular baby wipes. You're not supposed to use them on your kids' faces. So if you do, maybe switch and get a package that says you can use it on faces. So this is a really great deal. So print that coupon and head to Target. So we also have a gift card promo with Aveeno Baby. So Aveeno Baby, select Aveeno Baby products. They are buy 3, get a $5 Target gift card. So the lowest price item that I'm seeing is for $6.99. So you can pick up 3 of these Aveeno Baby cleansing therapy moisturizing washes. So you can pick up 3 of those. You could print 3 of these printable coupons. So you would take $6 off and then earn that $5 Target gift card. So this is a really good deal if you like Aveeno Baby products. Okay, also included in the buy 2 get a $10 Target gift card is the Pampers Pure, but there's going to be less diapers in the box, so just keep in mind that if your baby's sensitive, then maybe try out the Pampers. There is a Cartwheel coupon and an insert coupon, so good deal on the Pampers Pure as well. I have not tried these, so if you guys have tried this variety of diaper, let us know in the comments if it's any good, so we can help out some other mamas reading the comments. Okay, you guys, so there is a 50% off Target Cartwheel for Nella the Princess Knight apparel. So you just need to find something in the kid and toddler section. So this guy is $7.99, round it off to $8. 50% off Cartwheel will make it $4. So if your kiddos like Nella the Princess Knight, head to Target, maybe snag it and save it for Christmas. Good idea. All right, you guys, so all 12 packs of sodas, these guys are 4 for $11. You must buy 11 to get that 4 for $11 price. So in addition to that 4 for $11 sale price, there is a 20% off Target Cartwheel on Pepsi brand sodas. So you can take an additional 20% off of that 4 for $11 price, which is awesome. And Pepsi is a bonus brand for Fetch Rewards. So when you submit your receipts, you're going to get bonus points for submitting Fetch, or bonus points through. So you're going to get bonus points when you submit your receipt. If you don't know about Fetch Rewards, then definitely check out my video in the description box. You can learn all about it and start getting free money. Okay, so I think this is my first time coming in the school supplies section and sharing with you guys a deal. So I'm picking up 4 packages of crayons. Usually this section is completely crowded, like wall-to-wall people, but I'm picking up 4 for $2, putting them away for Christmas time. Great stocking stuffers. Also, I'm doing the Up and Up thin markers. So these are 99 cents. So definitely check out the Crayola section and like the arts and crafts section over in the school supply section. If you're, you know, a planner junkie, great time to stock up on your planning supplies, but I'm getting these for stocking stuffers. I told you guys to wait for the clearance. So backpacks are starting to get clearance. So these tags are, let's see, how much are you clearanced for? It doesn't say. Wait a minute. Where are the clearance tags? Where are the clearance tags? Oh, here we go. Here we go. So 30% off clearance for select backpacks right now. So just check out your aisles and yeah, get your clearance backpacks. All right, you guys. So backpacks, select backpacks are clearanced for a 30% off. So go and get your backpacks at 30% off. And you guys, think ahead for Christmas, think ahead for, I don't know what you want to think ahead for, but backpacks for moms as diaper bags are a fantastic. So you know, think outside of the box. It's not just back to school. So if you know someone who's having a baby, get them a backpack. Whenever I go to like big like amusement parks, or if I'm out for a long time, I'm sporting a backpack. I'm not sporting a diaper bag. I'm sporting a backpack. So this is great. You could also save for Christmas. Look at how cute this is with the little like popsicles. Like, this is super cute. So 30% off. They're going to start to dwindle down in price, but you know, if you don't want to wait, 30% off, get to Target. Okay, so these Oreo thin bites, these are chocolate covered. Holy crap. They are on sale 2 for $5, and we have a 75% off 2 coupon from, I think it was like 3 weeks ago in our Smart Source. So use this coupon here and you can get 2 of them for $4.25. So this looks like a really yummy deal. So this week there is a 20% off Target Cartwheel for all Annie's snacks and crackers and cookies and whatnot. So there's a 20% off Target Cartwheel, and there's a 50% off coupon in your Target Cartwheel for the Annie's crispy snack bars. So you could load the 50% off coupon to your Cartwheel and the Target Cartwheel, and you'll take 50 cents off and 20% off. So that's a really good deal. And they're also 2 for $5. So if you don't know how to use your Target Cartwheel, again, I'll have a video linked below explaining how to use your Target Cartwheel so you guys can head into Target and, you know, kill it with these Annie's deals. I'm not sure if the Saving Star rebate is still available, but check Saving Star. There still might be an Annie's rebate. So great deal on Annie's. So there is still a 25% off Target Cartwheel for the Junior Mints Theater Box candies. So they are 99 cents. So I think it shaves it down to about 74 cents, something like that. So head to Target. You can get 4 in one transaction with your Target Cartwheel, because the Cartwheel is a limit of 4 per day. So head to Target, get 4, pop them in your freezer, and then take them when you go to the movies. Or you can do what I did last night, and you can eat a whole box in bed while you eat Power Hour cleaning videos. So let me know if you do that too on Saturday nights, because that was me. Yeah, great Saturday night. In bed, Junior Mints, watching cleaning videos. Love it. So they also have the same varieties in their K-Cups. So the K-Cups are $7.99 when you buy 2. Get your 5% off Target Cartwheel to shave off a few more cents. And yeah, they have tons of really great varieties. So if you are a K-Cupper, oh wait, pumpkin spice, what? Yeah, it's here, it's time, it's the season. Do you guys want Ashley and I to do a pumpkin spice mukbang, whatever it's called? Because I think I might talk her into doing that with me. Or maybe I'll talk her daughter Scarlett into doing it with me. We're gonna do something pumpkin involving food. So let me know in the comments below if you wanna see that. Okay, Captain Crunch cereal. These guys are 2 for $5. We have $1 off 2 coupon from the Red Plum 8.5. So these will be 2 for $4 or $2 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal on Captain Crunch because Captain Crunch tends to be more expensive. So yeah. And then also there's another cereal deal. It's on the Kellogg's. They are 2 for $7. I think there's a Kellogg's coupon floating around. Let us know in the comments if there are and let us know what insert. Okay, so like I was mentioning with the Annie's mac and cheese, they are 99 cents and then there's additional 20% off Target Cartwheel. And if you still have those printable coupons floating around, this will be an excellent Uncle Ben's Ready rice pouches. These guys are 3 for $5 or $1.66 each. I think there's a saving star and there might be a printable coupon. So this is a really nice deal if you like the Uncle Ben's variety. So the Ragu Simply pasta sauces, these guys are on sale for $1.68. And in today's Smart Source, we got a 75-cent off 1 coupon, so that shaves us down to 93 cents. So regular price is $1.87. Now we're getting it for 93 cents with that coupon. So, you know, definitely get a paper if you want to try this out. It's new, so anytime a new product comes out, we get high value coupons. Also, there is $1 off 2 coupons. So if you want to do the regular Ragu, it is priced for $1.70. So let's do quick math. $3.40 minus $1, so $2.40 for 2 of them. So not a bad deal. And they also have like Alfredo sauces. They have all sorts of sauces. So if you want to stock up on some pasta sauce, now's the time. And you're gonna get it cheaper than the Market Pantry this week, so cool. So the Pepperidge Farm goldfish, these guys are $1.99. Check out these Mickey varieties, cool. And there's a 10% off Target Cartwheel, so I think that's gonna shave off like 19 cents. And Pepperidge Farm is a bonus brand for Fetch Rewards, so when you purchase anything from Pepperidge Farm, you get more points. So Pillsbury this week is buy 3, get 1 free. So it looks like you can pick from anything from Pillsbury. So you could do the rolls, you could do the cookies, you could do probably that like roll out pizza roll, the pizza dough. Where's the pizza crust? I don't see the pizza crust, but I'm pretty sure it's included. And if you want to go Annie's, I think you can use that 20% off Target Cartwheel, but it's more expensive obviously. So head to Target, buy 3, get 1 free. So the Oscar Mayer deli meats, these guys are 2 for $6 this week or $3, and we have a 75-cent off 1 printable coupon, so that takes that down to $2.25. So not a bad deal for some lunch meat. Okay, so Glad trash bags, these guys are $10.99, and when you buy 3, you're gonna get a $10 Target gift card, and we have printable $1 off 1 coupons on coupons.com. You could use 3 of those printable coupons if you have enough devices to print. So you could buy 3 of these guys for, let's round this to $11. So $33, take $1 off 3 times. So now we're down to 30 bucks. And then you get a $10 Target gift card, so that makes these 3 for $20, so not a bad deal. And then also, let's take a little walk down to Hefty. So Hefty, there is a 30% off Target Cartwheel for the citrus twist, and we still have those $1 off 1 coupons, so they are $9.99. You could use that 30% off Target Cartwheel, but it's only on the citrus twist, and use that $1 off coupon if you have it. There's a printable on hefty.com too, so if you want to print that coupon, you can. I tried to print mine, but I wasn't able to print it because I don't know, whenever I have to download stuff, like it doesn't work out in my favor, so I just didn't print it. So yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so the all detergent Mighty Packs, these guys are $9.99, and we have a printable $1 off 1 coupon on coupons.com. We also have an insert coupon from the Red Plum, and I also have some coupons for you guys. So if you want coupons for all detergent, just comment below you want coupons, and I am going to be emailing some coupons out. What else was I going to mention? And there's also a Cartwheel, I think. So also included in that buy 3 get a $10 Target gift card. All detergent is included, so if you just want to do all detergent, you could buy 3 of them for $29.97. Use 2 of those $1 off 1 coupons, because buy 3 of them, use 2 of the insert coupons and 1 of the printables, which is on coupons.com. So you'll pay $26.97, and then you get a $10 Target gift card, making these $16.97 for 3 of them, which is a really great deal. All detergent is fantastic. It is recommended by dermatologists and pediatricians, so snag this. And if you guys need coupons, comment below you want all detergent coupons, because like I have mentioned, I have tons from my pediatrician that I am sharing with you guys. So comment below if you want all detergent coupons. This week is a natural cleaner's dream. Okay, so the Method dish soap, these guys have a 25% off Target Cartwheel, so they are $2.99. And then you could add that 25% off Target Cartwheel and take 25% off. Also, the Method Power Dish Pods, these guys also have a 25% off Target Cartwheel, so awesome. There is also a 25% off Target Cartwheel for the Method All-Purpose Cleaners. So all you do is add that to your barcode and take 25% off. So $2.99, take 25% off. So just come to Target and scan the barcode and see what qualifies. I'm not sure if the Wood for Good is included, but you know, definitely try it. One of my favorite things that I cannot live without cleaning wise is the Method Daily Granite. So if there's one thing you should pick this up. You can't do this online unfortunately, but come in store, add it to your barcode. Also the degreaser is great too. This is $3.99. You could use that 25% off Target Cartwheel. This is awesome too for your stove. Yeah, you know I love me some good Method products, so head to Target, save 25% off. Yeah. Okay, so now we're doing a deal with Target that you should not be doing. Okay, the Q-tip 750 count, these guys are $4.59, and you're gonna get a $5 Target gift card when you buy 4 of them. So let's just round it off to $4.50. So 450 times 2 is 9, so you would have to pay $18 for 4 packages, and then you get back that $5 Target gift card, so you have to pay like 13 bucks, which is a terrible deal. I know you get 750, but why not just go to the Dollar Tree and pay $1 for, I think there was like a 350 count for $1. So this is a terrible deal, guys. Do not do this. I mean, Q-tips, you just use in your ears and all the other nasty crevices of your body. Like, why pay more for that? Why pay more? It just doesn't make sense. All right, so Garnier Fructis, these guys are $4.99 this week, and when you buy 3, you're gonna get a $5 Target gift card. There's a 4 off 2 coupon that's in the red plum, so that would make for a good deal here if you wanna get some Garnier Fructis here at Target. All right, so there's a really good deal on the Neutrogena Sun Care. So $8.99, there is a 40% off Target Cartwheel, and we have a printable 3 off 1 coupon. So if you get something that's $8.99, it's gonna be $2.39 after the printable 3 off 1 coupon and the 40% off Cartwheel. This is crazy, and I love Neutrogena, especially for like the face. So definitely check out this deal. Fantastic, yes. So Neutrogena also makes a clear face sunblock. So this is 55 SPF, and it says breakout free. And then it looks like they also have one for like an age shield face. So if you want to, you know, anti-age while protecting your skin with SPF, do it. Also, I think this is great if you are prone to breakouts and you guys need to be putting sunblock on your face, because if you want to, you know, kind of put a pause on age damage with your skin, you need to be using SPF. Not only is it going to help you not get skin cancer, it's going to help those wrinkles. So you need to be using SPF.